This is the quick start guide for the Excel Skills Sales Analysis template. This template enables users to produce a daily and a monthly sales analysis charts by simply entering or copying daily sales data. The daily sales chart includes a 60-day period and the monthly sales chart includes a 12-month period. Let's go to the data sheet. So the data sheet, very simple, a date in column A, which can be entered based on your regional date settings, and an amount in column B. So this is the user input that the template uses in all other sheets, just the date and an amount. So let's go to the daily sheet. So the daily sheet, very basic, has a start date at the top. Whatever you enter there, it will include 60 days below that in the table, all automated. You only need to enter that one date. And then your daily chart is based on this date range and sales amounts. So let's see what that looks like. So there's 60 days. The monthly chart includes 12 months. So whatever date you enter at the top, it will extend by 12 months and then have a monthly chart for 12 months. Okay, so the amounts are calculated based on the input on the data sheet for both the monthly and the daily sheet. These are formulas. So the only user input in this template is the data sheet. If you need more guidance on the template, refer to the detailed instruction sheet. We also post videos based on user feedback in the support section on our YouTube channel.